Hey everyone, this video is for you if you're interested to join as a presenter at this year's Penn Neuro Society Research Committee Expo. My name is Aaron Anandaraja. I'm a sophomore here at Penn studying neuroscience, and I'm one of the co-chairs for the Penn Neuro Society Research Committee, along with my co-chair Ali Hamandi. With Research Committee, our goal is to mentor around 15 students a year and teach them how to deeply engage with scientific literature, get involved in neuroscience research, and overall develop a broad consciousness in the field's overarching questions and wide-ranging aspects. So, this year, we hope to share our love for neuroscience with the greater Penn community and start an annual initiative of a research conference. So our theme for this year is Neuroscience and Biotechnology. We will have a variety of talks and short presentations to explore the innovations in the fields and how we can improve the lives of the people all around us. So with this, we are opening the conference to anyone in the Penn community who would like to share their research in this field and join the Penn Neuro Society Research Conference. So if you're interested in joining a revolutionary initiative, this video will explain how you can join as a presenter this year. So why should you be interested in joining as a presenter at this year's Expo? So firstly, you'll have the opportunity to practice and receive coaching in scientific presentations. You'll also be able to meet directly with the conference keynote speaker, in addition to networking with Penn faculty, research labs, postdocs, and more. And you'll also receive a highly marketable highlight on your resume, in addition to a certificate from the Penn Neuro Society saying that you're a presenter at the first ever annual Research Committee Expo. So now that you decided to join as a presenter this year, what will the day of the Expo look like? Right, so we'll begin with a keynote speaker address. They'll mainly be introducing the topic of biotechnology and neuroscience to the overall conference. Next, after some short refreshments, we will transition to the actual research committee members' presentations, and then after that, it is your turn to present your research. The second and third segments will mainly be a gallery walk around seeing everyone's presentations in the form of trifold presentations, so that you will have the opportunity to present your research in a more graphic, in-person way that'll be more that'll foster more interaction between you and the conference attendees. Right, so the actual conference will be taking place on Saturday, April 9th from 12 to 5 in the Houston Hall Bodek Lounge. And despite not being as big as the Stark Expo, we hope that it'll be a large event, and that's why we have rented out the entire Bodek Lounge of Houston Hall. So you're probably wondering, how do I actually join to be a presenter at this conference? So first, you will fill out, attached to the flyer and below in this video, you'll find a Google Doc for the application to actually join the conference. So you'll fill out this application by March 14th, and then wait until March 17th to hear about the decision whether or not you'll be joining us at the conference. And upon your acceptance, you will either meet with Ali or I before March 25th for just a one-on-one conversation to discuss your topic in any way that we, Ali or the Penn Neuroscience Society as a whole, can help you cultivate your topic and cultivate your presentation. And then after you've developed your topic and made your presentation or your trifold, the final part is to actually attend the conference on Saturday, April 9th. And we ask that, since it is a research conference, that you bring that you wear formal attire to the conference. So now that you decided to join us as a presenter at this year's conference, what will your actual presentation look like? So as aforementioned, this year's theme is neuroscience and biotechnology, but not just that, mainly the innovations in the field and how the progress in this field can improve the quality of lives for the people all around us. So with that, when choosing your topic, it can be in any way tangentially related to neuroscience and or biotechnology, but not just that, how this specific topic is innovating the field and can improve the quality of lives for the people all around us. So after checking your topic with either Ali or I, you'll move on to the actual presentation portion of your topic. And instead of a PowerPoint presentation, we're hoping to make it more interactive so we can engage with the conference attendees in a more personable way, which is why we chose to use trifold presentations for this conference. With that, the Penn Neuroscience Society will provide any materials necessary for you to make your trifold presentation possible. So, another goal of the Penn Neuroscience Society is to help people or students not in the lab at the moment connect them with a research lab. So if you're not doing your own research, we're definitely open for you to do a literature review at this conference. What that entails is essentially finding 4 or 5 publications in a topic that you find interesting in neuroscience and or biotechnology, and developing a synthesized literature review and kind of explaining the topic in a narrative way. So either you can do a literature review of 4 to 5 publications in a topic that you find interesting in an innovation in biotechnology, or you can even present your own research. Anything that's tangentially related to neuroscience and or biotechnology, because we want this conference to expose the conference attendees to as many different facets of neuroscience and biotechnology as possible. To kind of long story short, your topic can be anything tangentially related to neuroscience and or biotechnology, but can be an innovation or progress in the field that is meant to improve the quality of lives for people all around the world. And if you don't have your own research, we'd love to see you develop a synthesized literature review of 4 to 5 publications in a topic that you find really interesting. So with that, Ollie, I, and the Penn Neuro Society as a whole have been working really hard to make sure that this conference is a reality in April, and we're really excited to work with you to get your topic going and see your presentation become a reality as well at our conference in April. So if you have any questions at all, please feel to shoot Ollie or I an email at these emails here. You can also find the link in the flyer or below in the description. And this is a really revolutionary initiative that the Penn Neuro Society and Research Committee is undertaking, and we're really excited to work with you to develop your topic and develop your presentation for our conference to be a reality as a whole. So again, thank you for watching. Please feel free to shoot us an email if you have any questions at all. We are here to help you in any way possible. And again, we hope to see you at our conference in April. Thank you again.